Hi, here's a quick video for the replacement of the tail light on Toyota Verso. As you can see, I have a broken light, so I will be replacing this with the new one by removing these three bolts from the back. I will show you how to remove these bolts without removing whole plastic backing from the boot. So here is the whole plastic backing which you are supposed to remove to able to access the three bolts, but I will show you the quick way without removing all this backing. So first we will remove this cover just by pulling like so, and you will see the light holding here bulbs, so you carefully remove those bulbs as well. Then you will see if on the top left a bolt there, on the top left one, the second one on the top right, and one is in the bottom. So just like you see on this light, there will be one bolt here on the top left, one will be on the top right, and one on the kind of right bottom. You will need a 10mm spanner to access that. They're not very tight, so you just go inside here and put your spanner on the bolt, just to make sure not to drop the spanner inside. So I just tie a bit of string here in case if it falls down I can pull it out. Here you can see the bolt, the top left bolt, which I'm gonna loosen that one first. So here's our first bolt. You can see it's a little bit awkward to access, but you can do it, and just to loosen it, and then with the help of finger you can just lose it further and carefully take it out. So here is our first bolt. So we'll do the same with the second one and the third one. I'm not able to bring the camera inside to show you, but I've already loosened that bolt, and now I'm carefully removing it out. So it's out now. So this is the third bolt here. Just now we can simply pull the whole light out. Just like so. So putting the new light in, we just reverse the whole process. Thanks for watching.